What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to download public Instagram videos. You can then repost the videos onto your own profile or just save them onto your own phone. Firstly, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more tips on business and Instagram growth hacks. Okay, so let's get into the video. First of all, what you'll need to do is download a repost app off the Play Store or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. The best one I found is Regram. That's available to download for free on the Play Store. It's also available on iPhone as well. So let's go download that first of all. I've already downloaded it. So the next step, what we need to do is go back to Instagram. We go back to Instagram and find the video we like.
First rule in investment is don't lose. And the second rule in investment is don't forget the first rule. And that's all the rules there are. I mean, if you buy things for far below what they're worth and you buy a group of them, you basically don't lose money.
Seems like it'll do
Warren, what do you consider the most important quality for an investment manager?
It's a temperamental quality, not an intellectual quality. You don't need tons of IQ in this business. I mean, you have to have enough.
And now in Regram, it'll have the pasted video link in there. You just click the video, tap the video, and then you can either choose to download the actual video and save it to your phone memory, or you can just repost it. So I'll choose to repost it, and it actually copies the caption for you as well. So
First rule in investment is don't lose.
You can paste in the caption as well. Well, let's just write a caption of our own. And that's it. It's as simple
That's all the
as
rules
that.
there are. I mean,
So now that's actually downloaded and it's reposted it onto my profile, onto my feed. So it's just as simple as that. So this app only works with public videos. It doesn't work with any private videos. Any private profiles, you can't download those videos. That's actually, if you want to download private videos, that's actually a different website, which I'll do a future video on. But with this, you can also download pictures as well. So let's say if I want to download this one, I want to repost this, I just do the same as well. Copy link, go to Regram, and then I could just do the same and post a photo as well. And that's it. I can repost a photo and I can repost any public videos, and it's as easy as that. So thanks for watching the video. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.